Hi folks. Peace be the journey with you here today. Sorry, I'm off sick just now. I'll come round in a minute or two. Feeling better, but not going back today because I don't want to go back too early. End up putting myself back. But anyway, I'm going to be streaming live Kerbal, and I'll talk about it on the way because this is the mining ship that I'm going to be taking to Minmus. So I'm all set up. I've got my staging set up and loads of fuel. This is Mark 3 of the Minmus lander. The other one ended up losing its back wheels. So anyway, right, let's go. It's not the most stable thing in the world, so I need to get it out. This is where I need to get it out of orbit. Or into orbit, sorry, but because it's so damn heavy. I just want to get it up first. I've got a little bit of extra fuel. Right. Right, let's do that again. Oops. Right, we won't count that one. That doesn't count. Bummer. Right. So fuel on SAS and try that again. Put these off just now, keep that on so it keeps it in a straight line. And then what I'll do is create an over. So my perhaps is about, I'll go with about, it's a long burn actually. It's a long burn, I better start burning soon. 1 minute, I'm going to have to go up slightly higher. let's go for... Let's go for Pro-Grade. I'm going to bin this, just do it by hand. I've got plenty of fuel. I've got enough fuel to get there though. Yeah, should do. Right, I'm going to start going for orbit now. 1 minute 7 to apoapsis. I'll try and keep that. Certainly no less than about 20 seconds. Right, got it to hold there. 55, so I'll keep an eye on that. That engine looks quite cool, doesn't it? That's what mine investment. All neat, tucked away. Really cool actually. It's taken probably 15 to 20 test mines on Kerbal to get it right, and then when I thought it was right, I launched it to Minmus, landed in Minmus, and the bloody back wheels came off. Luckily, it's got legs as well. Right, I don't want it going too close to the apoapsis, because then I'll start going down. So I'll keep it about 18 seconds. Yeah, that'll do. 15 seconds. It's kind of sitting about there. And we're about 109, 110 kilometres above Earth. So I want to go into orbit here. This has just been in the last probably two weeks, I would say, I've started playing this game. I watched loads of videos. Right, apoapsis time is increasing, so I'm going to drop it down again, because that way I don't want to increase the radius of my orbit unnecessarily and waste fuel. Right, it's went up to about 30 seconds, so I'm just going to go there now. So in 30 seconds I should be in full orbit. Start slowing down in a second because my orbit will come out the back here. Periaxis gets over 70,000. I will slow it down as soon as it pops out. Here we go. Slow it down a little. As soon as it's over 70,000 we're good. But I'll take it slightly further away. That'll do. Right, that's us in orbit. And there's Earth there, or Kerbal there, but it's not so nice because we're on the dark side. So, anyway, I've got loads of fuel left. And what I'll do is I will get... well, I'll put it on the same... Yeah, I'll put it on the same axis. So this is quite good as well, so... I will adjust the angle, so myself and Minmus are on exactly the same angle. You can see the ascending node. Oh, it was dropping. There we go, going the wrong way. 0, right, so let's go with... Damn, that's... fickle. There we go, that'll do. Right, so I'm going to go for here. I've brought lots and lots and lots This is a really cool guidance system, this one. Really, really good. Right. I'm going to fast forward to the what do you call it? Jeez. Maneuver. Right, so 12, so that'll be 12.5 seconds before, 12.5 seconds after. So I'll do a quick save. Just let that get on to the where I want to go. Got a better camera angle. Right. It's holding it there. So I'll take it down to 12.5 seconds at the bottom here. That'll do, and then go. So I'm watching my current orbit change to the orbit that I want, this one here. Speed increase, 12 seconds to go. Seven, two, one. Oh, a little bit more. Perfect, that'll do me. Put that RCS off because I'll just keep doing that. Right. And I got it exact. I said the node is 0 degrees, so I'm now exactly the same orbit as this line here, which is Minmus. That's where we're going. So to get to Minmus, as soon as I can just see it round the edge of Minmus there, that's where I'm going to put my sending node. Oh, sorry, maneuver. So it's approximately there. And then increase speed. So I'm looking for, whoa, the moon's there as well. Let's see if we can get around the moon. There we go. The mun, sorry, the mun. Right, so that's perfect. So there's a interference there, or whatever you want to call it. So I'm expecting to come into its range here. So what I'll do is I'll just focus on Minmus and see where I land. Right, so it's a little bit out. I've left my... See, I've got an orbiter. This is an orbiter just now. This is a satellite. And it's telling me where the best mining is. So it's basically over the north and south poles. There's some fairly random bits. I've got a mining craft sitting there, which seems to be the blank area. I need to move it up to one of these areas. But it's not too bad. So what I'll do is I will go probably try and get on about the same. See, that would be a good one to get on, because then I've got a nice streak of mining abilities. I'll maybe go for the South Pole actually. Right, I'll go for the South Pole. Yeah, that's what we'll do. So I'll set up. This is going to be really fickle. What the hell is it? Right. So I just need to adjust this slightly. Oh, whoa. Just using my scroll wheel. Just to drop it down slightly. So that's me coming in from the side, so I want to come in from the bottom. But I think that'll do just now. What I'll do is I'll get set up on that maneuver node, this one here. Now this is a 1 minute 30 mark. I've got plenty of fuel for that in this tank. So I'm going to be starting about what, 45 seconds. 45.5 seconds. Before 45, and it should finish 45.5 seconds after this one. Right, so I'm just going to quick save this, because if you do a lot, it tends to... Sometimes you miss it if you go too far. So I'm getting this down to 45 seconds. Oops, there we go. It's still trying to get the node. 45, there we go. That'll fix it now. There we go. So it's a minute and a half, I'll correct it. So you'll now see my orbit change. My current orbit is round Kerbal. It will come out round here. Sorry, wrong one. Round here. And the adjustment, if I don't do anything, take it back round Kerbal. Put the RCS off because the engine is keeping it straight now. This engine has a swivel axis on it. Now I'll show you some of the things while we're waiting on this. I've got some landing boosters here, which you'll see when I land. I've got some powered wheels. I've also got some outriggers as well, for which just touch at the same time as the wheels, just for a bit more stability. The wheels are braked, they're on. I've got several. This is the one I'm flying from just now. Keep an eye on that, what's going on. Put this on. Try and keep it a bit more stable. Not sure what happened there, it was getting a bit wiggly. I've got some minor rigs, it's getting a bit wiggly. Right, I'm nearly there anyway. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slightly more. Power off. And RCS off. RCS can be a wee bit of pain sometimes. So that's where I got to. So that's pretty good. It's never exact. So I want to do another manoeuvre. And I'll do the manoeuvre as close as possible. The further from the planet I do it, the less fuel I need. Right. So I want to get it just over the North Pole here. So we'll bring it up here, and then we'll slow it down slightly up. I want to get into about, well, it's Minmus, so probably about 20,000 meters would be nice. 20 kilometers over the North Pole. That's bloody close. Take it a little bit higher. That's perfect. That's pretty damn good. I'm going to just... I know it's not going to be perfect anyway because of the... This won't get it correct. I mean, this is... We're hundreds of... Well, like miles and miles away. It would take us 8 days to get there. And if I get this slightly wrong, like by a minuscule amount, any of this, then it's not going to be exact. But this is going to be pretty damn close. So that's the ideal scenario. So what I'll do is, I don't want to put RCS on, because my RCS enough, just the small boosters is enough, just to put this off. So I'll just let it do it on the rotation wheels. It'll take a little bit of time. Ah, shit. What are you doing now? Just didn't realise it was so close. It's okay, it's okay. So far, so good. 54 seconds. We'll get pretty close. And that'll go down quite a bit once I get going. Oh shit, I'm out of fuel. Forgot about that. Whoa! This is something I didn't think about. Now the centre of gravity is above centre on these, so I'm relying on the RCS helping. So let's abandon that. and create another maneuver node. I'll need the RCS to help. No choice. Wasn't a good design. I should have had it down level with the axis. Down here somewhere. Probably slightly below, like middle. Hey ho, we're there now. That's for Mark IV. So create a maneuver node on here. It's 3 minutes away, that'll give me loads of time to set up. And set up on focus view and Minmus. What am I going to do? Right. So I need to take it off there. Can't actually see forward and back wheels. Oh, there it is. "48-second burn." Right, I'd say that's pretty close to me above the pole. Yeah, that's pretty bang on actually. 19 kilometers up. Right, we're on there now. 2 minutes, so at 30 seconds I'll start the burn. I need my RCS this time, unfortunately. I don't know if I'll be able to hold it either, so what I'll maybe do is go a little bit early. Yeah, well, I'll start going now. Hopefully it can hold it. So far so good. It's holding it on that. It's losing it if I do that too much. So put it to half. I can hold it on the node if I put it to half. So not too bad. What we do is turn these down to half. Now we can put them in full, which is actually currently half. It's not quite holding it. Put it down to 40%. That's a design flaw. We'll fix it, we'll fix it. We'll fix it in the next one. Right, it's holding it now. Yeah, it's holding it now. Probably not going to get where I want to be though. Maybe. It's coming closer. Take a little longer, that's all. Get it as close as possible. So this is my current, it's leaving again. Right, we'll stop. Put that off. That's my current orbit. That's where I want to be. So let's do another one. Where am I? Right, I'm 18 days away. Oh, wrong one. Put it here. 2 minutes. Focus on Minmus. Open up the maneuver node. Right, so whoa, too much. You can see a slight movement is causing a massive change. To go up slightly. So close, so close. Right, I'd say that's right over the poles. Maybe for perfection, I would say there. There. Yeah, okay. We'll go with that. So it's a 4-second burn time. I will be starting 2 seconds before the node, and it'll finish 2 seconds after the node. I will use RCS. I need to remember that. I need to change that. Put the engines down there so we can move the wheels slightly. Put the engines on the centre of gravity. I'll talk about this later. But yeah, it's got loads. It's like a Swiss Army mining thing. It's got shitloads on it. Right, 7 seconds before. Put my RCS on. Now. Whoa, 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 whoa. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Absolutely perfect. Get that off. Absolutely perfect. So that is now my orbit. It's going to take me here. That's... Geez, you'd think I'd done this before. So I can put everything off now. I'm fine. My charge is fine. But it can float around and do what it wants now. So what I'll do a quick save. And we're like, I don't know how many days away. Quite a lot. So I'll just fast forward it now. We are 4 days. So I could either come back in 4 days or fast forward it. I think I'll just fast forward it. Now, because I'm fast forwarding this one, I've got other landers on various planets. Duna. Let's see. I've got one in Duna, which is there. I've got 2 or 3 on Minmus. And I've got 2 or 3 on the Mun. And all of the science and experiments will be going through this time lapse as well, which is pretty useful. Here it comes. Now, as soon as I get to here, I'll become under the influence of Minmus's gravity. If everything goes to plan, that's me under the influence of the gravity. I don't need to do anything. It's just going to... Just quick save. It's just going to go to here. So what I'll do is I'll put it on retrograde, which means I'm going to slow down and get caught up with the gravity on Minmus. I will add a maneuver. Burn retrograde to get into the orbit of Minmus, which I want to do roughly about the same on both sides. So I'll take it. Right, so that's about 17,000 on both sides. 18,000. And the axis is pretty close. So what I'll do is I will line up on there. It's a 7-minute burn. I have enough fuel. I got loads of fuel in these tanks. Very efficient engines as well. So 7-minute burn, so it's nearly 8 minutes, so it's 4 minutes after, 4 minutes before. So I will time warp, and it'll take me to just before that, which is useful. I'll also quick save, just in case. Right, it's taken me to 5 minutes before the node. So I want 4 minutes, so I'm just going to increase it slightly. I'll also use the RCS just to control the nose. I'll maybe switch it off and see if the engine can do that on itself though, but we'll get started first. Right, RCS on. So that's just keeping me aligned with the node. And then full engines now. Right, and it's coping quite well. These engines are set at 40%. Now this is quite a long burn time, so I'll probably do some other things as well. So let's see if I can put RCS off and it'll hold the node. No, it can't, so I'll just leave it on. I've got loads of monopropellant, like I say, and when I land, it's going to fill up. I've used quite a lot as well, actually. But anyway, let's talk about this. So I've got some, as you can see, I've got some monopropellant boosters front and back, just for alignment. I've got a satellite dish, I've got some radiators and solar panels. I've also got some big ass wheels that are diff locked wheels that don't turn. One goes back, one goes forward. I've also got the ones in the middle which help that. I've got a clampatron, which if I did want to fill something up in space, I have these as well, which are ports for fueling. I've got 3 of them, and this will clamp onto it and pull it over if need be. So I can disarm it, put the shield back on. I've got a lab here which is for science. I've got lots of experiments going on as well, which are on the front here. All the experiments are on the front here, and there is one inside one of these. I can't remember which one. Nope, that's a drill, and that's a drill, so this must be the Science Junior. There we go. Now, I'm not going to do any of this just now because it's been done before. Got some lights just for visibility when I'm on the ground, if I'm on the dark side of the moon, dark side of Minmus. I've got loads of batteries because it takes a lot of energy. I've only ever drilled with 2 drills before. I've got one converter for changing that back into fuel. I've got, let me see what else we've got here. I've also got things that will run on fuel and create electricity. 6 of them. Total overkill, but I've never used them before, so try like that. These are nuclear reactors as well, and it creates 1 energy per second, and we've got like, I don't know, 10, 15 of them, maybe more, 20 maybe, right round. There is other things as well, but I'll save them for when we land. Now we've got 4 minutes left. Can't warp. Can you warp? No, you can't warp. You can't warp. You should. So a few seconds out now. But that's okay. Our orbit is now way down there. We're actually going to leave the orbit. Just keeping an eye on my monopropellant. Oh yeah, we've got loads. Like I say, that's got to get us landed as well, so I'm hoping it should be fine. And the orbit, you can see, is closing in here. We're still not in an orbit, but that will change soon. If I had stronger engines, the more stable craft, this is very unstable, then it would only take a very short amount of time. So you can see Minmus now. This is looking pretty damn good actually. So I'm slowed down, I'm facing away from the direction I'm going. Trying to slow down so that I'm caught up in Minmus's orbit, because I'm going too fast now. The surface is 230 metres a second and I'm doing 212. So I'm just overshooting, I'll just keep going into space if I didn't slow down. So I'm wanting Minmus's gravity to catch me, which it has now. I'm surprised it's going to take another 2 minutes. Why is it going to take another 2 minutes? It looks like we're nearly there. This is not going to take another 2 minutes, I don't think. It's lining up well. Okay, that's how long I've been burning. It's meant to be 4, I'm sure, but maybe 3. I think it was 3. Anyway, my orbit is starting to close in. I'm just going to get this down to about the same as it is on the other side of 18.5. That'll probably be with plus or minus 1,000. Which is loads. There's my satellite, which is monitoring on me, checking out the surface of Minmus. I think it was a 4-minute burn actually. But you can see there's so much fuel left. And there's so much fuel, because these ones are drawn from here as well, so they're all sharing the fuel. It's actually too much fuel in this thing. That means I can dock in orbit and share fuel. This is actually taking quite a while, so I can give fuel to other craft. Going to the outer limits of the Kerbal universe. Right, keeping an eye on that now. So we're close to the periapsis. It's like a 1 minute burn still, but go in as close as this. But, if I do it now, I don't need to do it later. So that's actually increasing. I've missed the periapsis just now, so it's increasing. So it's up to about 19,000. So I'll make them about the same, which is loads, loads and loads. Right, close. 22, 21, that's a 15. 21, 20, I'll bring it down to about 19. I don't want that to go too low though. Right, that'll do. Put that off. Yeah, that's fine. Well, not too bad actually. What we'll do is switch this off. Warp to here. We'll fix this by doing a little bit of retrograde. And this is Minmus. Looks closer than it is. We're still like 20 kilometers up here. I think that could be one of my landers actually. Right, anyway, where am I? Right, I'm approaching here, so I'm going to do a retrograde burn and get my Minmus apoapsis down to about the same as this, which is really close, 10 kilometers. So here we go. I'll just start it now, put my RCS on again, get that down. That shouldn't really move. I'll get this down to about 10, which is really close. Got an amazing view. Right, it's flipped, so they're about the same. That's it. They're both about 11.7 and 11.5. That'll do me. And we're on the dark side again. Right, I'll just make sure we've got everything we need. Monopropellant. Good stuff. Now, we'll probably use these engines again. I wasn't going to, but we'll probably use them again and then just use these ones to land. We'll see. Where do I want to land? Right, I wanted to land on the South Pole. So, how's it looking? South Pole is basically this line here is east-west. So the South Pole is there. I want to land on that tip. Okay? I think that's as good a place as any. Just where the sun ends and the shadows start. That's going to be extraordinarily difficult. Let me see if I can do a manoeuvre for that. Probably about here. And manoeuvre. Oh, wrong one. Right, that'll do there, I think. Now, I've slightly missed it, but what I'll do is I'll slow down. It's another burn of nearly 2 minutes. So what I'm doing is I'm going 157 meters per second faster than the surface of this planet. And I have to take that down to close to 0. And then when I get to here, I will take it down to 0. And then we should just land pretty close to that. So we're 40 minutes away from the node. So I'll do a quick save. Fast forward to it. Oh shit! Cancel that. I'm going the wrong way around the planet. So I'm still going to land on it, but I'm just going to do it from this side. What one did I want? See, the south, close to the South Pole as possible. It's actually not too bad. Right. I'd say my my other orbit on this one is pretty close to perfect north-south. So if I split the difference and call it about here somewhere. So yeah, anywhere really where that's going to be, that is actually pretty good. Right, we'll go with that. Right, we'll fast forward to it. It's a 56-second burn. Just get in position before I complete the fast forward. So it'll be about what, 27 seconds, 28 seconds before, 28 seconds after. Right, let's take it in. So it's a minute away. There, that's where I want to land, just about here. In the wee dark canyon there, or there. We'll see. Right. 27, let's save that. Jump forward slightly. That'll do. Right, RCS on just to keep my stability. Slow my speed down, so if I'd done nothing else, put everything off, I would be close to I would actually crash into the back of Minmus now. So I'm just bringing the crash site further around, that's all I'm doing. By burning the opposite direction. Now my surface speed is dropping as well. If these engines have the power to actually stop me. Keep going just now. Probably use other. Well, I'll use other engines for actually landing and the final approach. Right, that'll do me just now. I'll put these engines off. Shut down. Shut down. These ones have started now. See? Now I want to spin retrograde. I'm also going to fly from here. Because I'm coming down to land. It's a fairly bumpy surface, so I'll try our best to pick a spot that's relatively nice to land. Now I know this full area. I wonder if I could get a reading on it actually. Too high. I'll leave this here just to see what the percentage is. Right, let's do a add manoeuvre. So it's a 1 minute burn, that's actually okay. Right, so we've got loads of time. I'd like to land about here, so I'll do a save. A little bit further. Right, let's put the brakes on a bit here. Hoping this is going to be stable. No, it's not really. These things are not stable. With the RCS on, I can hold it stable. See how fast I can push it before it becomes unstable. It's about 50%. Starting to get a bit wobbly. Still okay. It's struggling. Probably that's about 80 now. Oh no! Oh, the shift buttons. I'm happy about pressed all the time. It's starting to lose it about there, so what I'll do is quickly put these off, drop them down to about 70%. Need to be very quick actually. So coming in. That's fine. 70, 70, 70, 70. This looks pretty good. Not getting a reading, but I know we're practically on the North Pole. 90 would be North Pole. About 83 and rising. Surface speed's 28 now. So we can land in this little sunny bit here. This will be good anyway. I've got wheels, so I can move it slightly if need be. Just slow it down a bit. Right, we're now moving only about 7 meters a second. We've got 7 kilometers to go, so I'm just going to wait till 0 surface speed. I'm pretty close to that. Just dropping it down. Now I'll let this go up a bit, just to increase the speed, because it's going to take a very long time otherwise. So I'll cut my engines, but I'll get the RCS to hold it in place. So the RCS is holding it level. pretty happy there. The surface speed now, because I'm dropping straight down towards it, that's the surface speed now. So I'll probably let it get down to about 2,000 and maybe slightly less, or higher, sorry. Certainly won't let this get any over 100, but it's not going to. Ah, look, there's the moon and Kerbal, sun. As you can see anymore. Oh, I'm so close to the North Pole, it must be about there. I might actually just drive to it. This is a really complex bit of kit. It's a Probodonoi. I don't know how to say that. Probodonoi HECSC32, whatever it is, or 2. It's the most sophisticated controller there is. Let's make sure I've got plenty gas. Oh yeah, well, not plenty, but we're getting there. I'll just need to, what I'll do is I'll put this up here. Keep an eye on that. Right. Surface speed's increasing a bit now. Oh shit, that's water level. Shit! That's surface. There's a difference here about 3,000 feet. And there's a damn big hole there. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh! Quick save. Full engine. Full engines now. 4,000, right, okay. Damn, I'm glad I've done that. Right, I don't want to do that though. Right, now I know I had to say it at water level. We're obviously in a big mountain here, so... I lost 3,000 feet just by the click of a button. That was... like I say, I've only been playing it 2 weeks, so... Right, put the brakes on as well so it doesn't roll away. Right, so we're dropping down here. We're pretty close. There's the North Pole there, or the South Pole, sorry, South Pole. It's not the North Pole. South Pole. Yeah, because I'm 90 degrees out of that. Let's get this stuff back on now. Screen. I think I'm okay with the propellant, so, but I'll stick up there anyway. Yeah, I will be actually. This is my docking port, other docking port for big craft, so if I want to give some fuel to them, they can dock on there. I'll just scoot up into the atmosphere, go into an orbit, dock and then land again in mine. That's the plan. Right, we're dropping it down to 25. I don't want it. It's this ground looking. There's a big hole there, but we should be okay. If it's too bad, we'll just take off and fly up there. Or we could just fly up there now. Pretty close to the South Pole. Much more propellant do we have? Maybe not enough. facing that way. Not actually sure why it's facing that way. I need to get used to the... I've changed the controller. I think we're going to just drive there. Right, yeah, we'll just drive there. If it's not too steep. We need to get some water propellant anyway. I could just land on the top of the hill though. I could just drive it to the top of that. I think I'll just drive it to the top of the hill. Moving slightly. It's pretty good though. It's a pretty tight slope, but we'll see if we can drive up. I think we're good. Pretty sure we're good. Yeah, the mono propellant is dropping quite a bit. Maybe I need to do some mining. I'm glad I missed that big hole though. Right on the edge. It should be okay. See my shadow. Shadow's probably way up there, yeah. Right, let's get it down to under 10. Yeah, my mono propellant's a bit low now. 7 degrees away from the pole. Looking good. 4 meters a second. 3. 2. A bit too slow. Still 186 meters up. Take us a minute and a half to land. I'll let it drift up a bit. About 5 or 6. Then it'll slow it down again. Right, we're now 20 seconds away from land. It's not too bad, it's not too steep. Oh, there goes Kerbal. Bye bye Kerbal. Stunning landscape. Two and a half meters a second. 2.2. Absolutely perfect. Perfect. That deserves a save. Mark 2. No, what are we on? Mark 3 miner landed. Landed on Minmus. Cool. There we go. So, percentage is 6.85%. I thought it would have been more. So let's do some driving. Put the wheels up. Sorry, the outriggers up. Put these engines off as well. Just so I don't accidentally press takeoff. Cool. Right. Let's see how it drives now. I've never actually driven it since I adjusted it. Where the hell are you going? Tell you what we'll do. We'll put the brakes up to 100%. So we might be rolling down the hill. Just in case, because there's some pretty big slopes around here. Wheel stress is at 2.3 already. Right, maybe I need to take off and go up there. I've not got any monopropellant, so we need to mine. But we'll try and drive, because I'm pretty sure we've got loads of batteries left. Yep. Right, let's go. See if we can drive forward. Ah, wait a minute. I'm on the wrong one. Control from here. That's forward on this. So we're 70 degrees away. If this number continues to increase, then we're getting closer to the pole. Ore on the surface is quite quick. Ore on the surface is 6.85%. Don't want to do some turns because we've not got a lot of gravity here, so don't want to do fast turns. I think that'll do speed wise. That's pretty quick. Whoa. Too quick. We'll go to the top of this hill. Don't want to risk the monopropellant taking off again and running out of monopropellant because we're relying heavily on it. So we'll go to the top of this hill. And where we might be able to see the full solar system. I'm now 5 degrees away from the pole. I think we're going to be very close by the time we get to the top of this hill. Because it's not a big planet. Don't want to do it if it's right in the middle of a damned... I'll put this off. Don't want to do it if we're right in the middle of a hole right enough because we won't get any sunlight. We'll have a look when we get up. Just see what it looks like. Cannot save when you're about to crash. I'm not crash. Uh-oh. Wrong engines! Uh-oh. Didn't want to do that. This could be bad. Other way. Uh-oh. This is definitely going to be bad. F9. Okay. Just miss that bit there. Forget about that. Did I do my brakes? No, I didn't. So I'll put my brakes to 100%. Probably should have braked, eh? But I took off. The damn gravity on this planet is so low. I was going too quick. Right, so if I face... I'm still facing up. So if I face... Control from here. I'm facing forward. Brakes off. Let's go. Now I'm going to set it on a nav ball. So we're going up the hill. We're actually going, it's not north, we're going, what I keep saying north for. We're going to go south. So south will be 180 degrees. Put that off. So it is actually the top of this hill. Maybe we should have tried the brakes before we got to the top of the hill. Right, brakes. Brakes work. Kinda. Nah, brakes really don't work. Brakes? No. Okay, right. We won't be relying on brakes. Let's just get it to the top of this hill. I think it's going to be so close. 5 degrees. I'll just keep it at this speed. I'll do a quick save. Cannot quick save when moving over the surface. Probably not a bad thing. South Pole. Oh, look, it is. It's on top of this hill. Or very close to it. Top of this hill. That's where I want to be. South Pole. It's like, be lucky if it's like 1 or 2 degrees out by the time we get there. I think the South Pole's probably there. But this hill is where I want to be. Because then I'll get the best of the light as well. I don't want to go too quick though, because I took off the last time. Right, we're approaching the top, I think. Are we? Yeah, top's like there, so we're not far away. Just take it easy on the speed. I think the top of the hill's probably better than the South Pole. We're 4 degrees away, but if I can get to the top of the hill, that's probably the best spot, I think. Shutting these down, I'm confident. Right, no engines. All engines are off. Right, this is top, practically. South side, sorry, south side. We're at 86 latitude, which is 1.5 degrees off it. Sorry, it's no. I wonder if the magnetic north is different. It's there, look, 1.5 degrees. Doesn't matter anyway. I'm so close. I'm 3 degrees, 3.5 degrees away. As soon as I can see that I'm on the top, then that'll do me. Which is... I'd say it's about there. So I'm very close. I'm not going as fast as I did the last time. I was doing about 20 metres a second the last time. It's about 60 miles an hour. Nearly. Right, I'd say, there we go. Oh, I should be able to see the sun 24 hours a day. The sun goes along this star line. This is the Milky Way line. So if I can see the sun, if I can see that line all the time, then I'd say this is me on the top. Top of the world. Slightly higher. Just touch brakes slightly. Come on, brakes. Brakes are on. it just doesn't want to stop. Maybe we need to go in a wee bit of circle, because it's not wanting to stop. Didn't realise it'd be so close, so difficult to stop this thing. Going down the other side now. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I'm just going to turn right and try and go back onto the top again. Yeah, there we go. You can actually still see the solar system from here. There we go, we're slowing down now. Oh, no, 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 no. Yeah, we're okay. Damn, the brakes don't do much. You be careful about that. Right, we'll go really slow. See, there's the sun. If Kinney came down a bit down the other side. The pole is about 2.5 degrees away still. So I want to just go up to about here, where I can see better all the way around. And then I'll get 24-hour sun. It's only 6.7%, but it should be loads of this stuff. Poles. Yeah. There we go. Sun all round. That's pretty good, eh? Now let's put the brake on and see if we can actually stop. Perfect. Stop. Yeah, we're going to stop this time. Perfect. 24-hour sun. Right. Let's get these up. They're going to block each other out a little bit, I think, though. So, but it'll fix itself as it goes round. Like just now, they'll be okay, but when it gets to here, the sun gets over here, they'll block each other. That's pretty good. That's maximum sunlight just now. Let's get some mining done. Deploy drill. Deploy drill. Oh, I need to put the legs down. Just gives me a little bit more stability. There we go. And we've got 2 drills in here as well. Deploy drill. Deploy drill. Now we've got loads of fuel, so if we start running out of electricity, we can start burning some. We've got 4 drills. Oh, shit. Radiators. Saying it's thermally efficient, so 2 radiators enough. Yeah. Put 1 away. Still 100. Put 2 away. It's dropping. 98. Extend. Only need 1. Cool. What I'll do is I'll open 2, and that way, wherever the sun is, it'll not be blocking them out. So that's quite good. So these should be filling up these tanks, which they are. My light positions are actually not too bad. Didn't put too many on it. And we can start research. Nothing to research, right enough. Not done any science yet. Let's do some science. Whoa, that's a good one. The mystery goo. Log gravity data. Damn. Log pressure data. Damn. Can't have much space left. A little bit. Log seismic data. Damn. It's full. Run atmospheric. Temperature. Right, we'll keep that. We'll transfer it to here. And what else did we do? This one. Nope. This one. Transfer data to here. And that way all of these can reset. So if I do move, I can use them again. I've also got this one. So just now with 4 drills, it's not using any energy. It's okay, it's the solar panels are keeping up. And also these reactors, thermonuclear reactors, thermoelectric reactors, generators. So they're keeping this full. And because I'm on the South Pole, I should get sun 24 hours, so can't see it being a problem here. Do a science experiment. Transfer data to there. Remove data. Now because we've got a scientist on board, he can reset the experiments. So he'll reset this. And he'll reset the goo. There we go. So now down 7 science a day. Still clearing out this one. There we go. So anywhere I move, this is the whole plan. Anywhere I move, I'll be in a different zone. So I can send more science. I mean, it's a bit of fun now, the science. I've got everything, but it's just a bit of fun. And the next thing what I'll do is I'll try and orbit something to this. So I'll fill this up. Let's see, the monopropellant is that one. So that's filling up now as well. It's actually using the ore quicker than it's mining. I thought there would have been a lot more ore. It's not bad right enough. It's just about keeping up. 4 of them. Electricity is keeping up as well. Damn. It's because these are 90 degrees to the sun. Sun exposure is 100%, which is perfect. And the radiators are 90 degrees to that, which is even, it's not blocking anything. Cool. That's a good idea going to the pole. Anyway, that'll be the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Catch yous again.